Hi all, welcome to our 10th standard maths. Let us continue with the AP. Show that A1, A2, AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. First problem, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Second one, AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. Important question, let us solve. Here given AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Let us find this forms an AP or not. Put n is equal to 1. 3 plus 4 into 1. 3 plus 4. 7. Put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 8. 11. Put n is equal to 3. 3 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 12. 15. Put n is equal to 4. 3 plus 4 into 4. 3 plus 16. 19. And so on. List of numbers. List of numbers becomes 7, 11, 15, 19. 19 here A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 is equal to 4. Common difference is 4. So it forms an AP with common difference 4. Let us find sum of first 15 terms. To find S15, sum of 15 terms. S15, we have n is equal to 15, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4. We know the formula. Sn is equal to sum of first 15 terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here S15, 15 by 2, 2 into a 7 plus 15 minus 1, D is 4. 15 by 2, 2 sevens are 14 plus 14 into 4. That is 15 by 2, 14 plus 15 fours are plus 14 into 4, 56. 15 by 2, 56 plus 14, 70. 2 ones are 2, 35. 15 into 35. 75, 35, 525. Therefore, sum of first 15 terms of the list of numbers is 520. Second one, An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Given An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Let us check. First, A1, A2, up to An form an AP. For this, An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. 9 minus A1 is equal to 9 minus 5. a1 is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. Put n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. In the place of n, 2. 9 minus 10 minus 1. Put n is equal to 3, a3, 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15, minus 6, plus 9 minus 15, minus 6. Put n is equal to 4, a4, 9 minus 5 into 4, 9 minus 20, minus 11. List of numbers becomes 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 comma minus 11 and so on. Here a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3 is equal to minus 5. So it forms an AP with common difference minus 5. Let us find sum of first 15 terms. To find S15, we have n is equal to 15, a is equal to 4, d is equal to minus 5. Using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2a plus 15 minus 1 into minus 5. Common difference is minus 5. 15 by 2, 8, 14 into minus 5. 15 into minus 5. 14 into minus 5. 15 by 2, 8 plus 14 5s are 70. Minus 70 plus 8. Minus 62. Here 2 ones are 2, 31. 15 into minus 31. 15 into minus 31. 5, 4, 465. So the sum of first 15 terms of the list of numbers is minus 465. Next important question. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and the nth terms. Here given that Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Let us find first term. For first term, put n is equal to 1. S1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 minus 1. That is 3. Sum of first term S1 is equal to A1 is equal to 3. First term is 3. That is first term is 3. Sum of first two terms. For the sum of first two terms, put n is equal to 2. S2 is equal to 4, n is equal to 2, 2 square. 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Here S1 is equal to A1. S2 is equal to sum of first and second term. Sum of first and second term is S2. S3 first sum of first, second and third term. Similarly S4 sum of first 4 terms A1 first term plus second term plus third term plus fourth term and so on. Therefore S2 is equal to A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Here we know S2 4, A1 we know 3 plus A2. Therefore A2 is equal to 4 minus 3. A2 is equal to 1. Second term is 1. Sum of first two terms. S2 is 4. Second term is 1. For the sum of first three terms. For the sum of first three terms. Put n is equal to 3. S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 12 minus 3 square 9. 12 minus 9 3. Third term. Here we know S3 is equal to A1 first sum of first, second and third term. S3 3, A1 3 plus A2 1 plus A3. Therefore A3 is equal to 3 plus 1 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Let us find 10th term. We know the relation an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Using this relation we can find 10th term, nth term. Put n is equal to 10. A10. Put n is equal to 10. A10 is equal to S10 minus S10 minus 1. S10 minus S10 minus 1 9. S10 minus S10 is equal to, put n is equal to 10. S 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 40 minus 100 minus 60. Similarly S9 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 9s are 36 minus 81 minus 45. S9 is 40 minus 45. Substitute S10 minus 60 minus minus plus 45 minus 15. 10th term or A10 is minus 15. For the nth term an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Replace n by n minus 1. For Sn minus 1. For n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. 4n minus 4 minus a minus b whole square. N square plus 1 minus 2n. Using the identity a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. N square plus 1 minus 2n. 4n minus 4 minus n square minus 1 minus minus plus 2n. Therefore minus n square plus 4n plus 2n plus 6n minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Therefore substitute here Sn minus 1 is minus n square plus 6n minus 5. 4n minus n square minus minus plus n square minus 6n plus 5. Plus 4n minus 6n minus 2n plus 5. 5 minus 2n. Nth term is 5 minus 2n. This is also important question. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Here given an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Put n is equal to 1. a1 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Put n is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 7. Similarly, put n is equal to 3. a3 is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. List of numbers becomes 5, 7, 9. Here a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2 is equal to 2, and so on, is equal to 2. So it forms an AP with common difference 2. Let us find first 24 terms, sum of first 24 terms. To find S24, we know the sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S24 is equal to 24 by 2. Here we have n is equal to 24, a is equal to 5, d is equal to 2. a 5 plus 24 minus 1, d 2. 12s are 12, 10, 23 into 2. 12, 10, here 46. 46 plus 10, 56. 56 into 12. 56 to 672. S24 is 672. So the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers is 672. Next example, find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Find the sum of first positive integers. The list of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. We need to find S40. A first term 6, D 6, N sum of first 40 positive integer, N is 40. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, sum of first positive integers. Sum of n terms, S40 is equal to 40 by 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1, d is 6, 20, 12 plus 39 into 6, 234 plus 12 is 246. 246 into 20. 246 into 20 is 4920. 4920. Therefore, the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 4920. Example, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. The first 15 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24 and so on. Here first term is 8. Common difference is also 8. We need to find S15. N is number of terms 15. First 15 multiples of 8. We know the relation Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 15 by 2, 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 into d, 8. 15 by 2, 16 plus 14 into 8. 14 8s are 112. 15 by 2, 112 plus 16, 128. 64. 64 into 15. 6, 9, 960. Therefore, the sum of first 15 multiples of 8, 960. Example, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Here, don't include 0 and 50. We have to in between 0 and 50. 1, 3, 5, 7 to 49. 1, 3, 5, 7, 49. Sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Here, first term is 1. Common difference is 2. Nth term of AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 1 plus n minus 1 into D is 2. 1 plus 2n minus 2. 2n plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2n minus 1. Here an last term 49. 49, that is 2n is equal to 49 plus 1 50, or n is equal to 50 by 2, that is n is equal to 25. Number of terms 25. Sum, let us find the sum of. Here number of terms 25. Let us find sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. S25 is equal to 25 by 2, first term plus last term, first term plus last term. 25 by 2, 50. 25 into 25, 625. Therefore, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625.